I was definitely gonna throw it.
Bro.
I'm ready, bro.
You sure?
I'm ready.
Alright.
I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready.
Bro, you gotta step behind him.
I think I'm ready.
Bro, it's going.
My world so precious, you the apple of my eye. I gotta keep it real, like I cannot lie, like Walla Kazam. It was magic. The moment that I saw you, I knew I gotta have it. What's the deal, Yelly Papa Willie? What's the deal, DMP Nation? It's your boy Team Dom. Y'all already know the muscle Dom. But anyway, today your boy's birthday, and I'm waiting on my brother to pull up so we can go to the gun range, man. It's about to be crazy. It's about to be so crazy, man. But yeah, man, stay tuned for the vlog. See y'all when we get there. Peace. There's the middle part. Hey, yo, grab me that step thing.
The who?
That step thing so I can put it up here and put the legs on it.
The who?
The step thing that's under there, by the trash can. Not that, this.
Oh.
That. That's what I use to take my test.
Oh, well, you gonna be able to do it.
Yeah, I am. Take my legs off.
How you do these? I forget. You shoot it?
It ain't fire. I pulled the trigger.
Hmm?
I pulled the trigger, it ain't fire.
Give me a sec. The fuck?
It's hot.
You had one too many in there. Okay, I see you. I see you, green dot sights.
You ready? I think I hit the red.
Bro, don't tell me that.
I did.
Let me see.
Get in it, bro. Put it up on your shoulder.
We hot.
One jammed up.
What you shooting?
Huh? One jammed up.
You out?
Nah. I don't know if it's out or if it's jammed up.
Now that's all.
What is it?
That's all.
Damn it. You ain't playing over there. You see what I did to that thing?
What?
You see what I did to that red dot? Boy, don't play with me. Bring it in.
Nigga.
Bring it in.
I
Nigga,
hit
you
the
hit it
first-
one time, bro. One time, bro. Don't play with me. You see what I did to that thing? You see what I did to that thing? You see what I did to that thing? My, oh my, oh my.
This one.
I hate that guy, bro. Don't do me like that.
No, this is my 9.
I thought that was a 380,
This is my
bro.
9.
Look, bro, feel my heart. I really thought that was a 380, bro.
No, your heart beating because that pump over there.
I want to say that one for my mom. She was like, are you able to keep the targets that you shoot at? Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all seen it here first. The line. Smith & Wesson AR. Distance, 15 yards. Weather, partly cloudy. Date, 6/9/2021. Caliber, 22. Wind, 0. Score, I don't know how to score these things, but I had 3 and 8.
Alright, and what's up in here?
8 and 9. Bullseye. Go Martin did right there. You got a marker with you, Toad?
What's that?
You got a marker with you or a pen? You got a marker or a pen, Walt? Walt, you got a marker or a pen?
Huh?
You got a marker or a pen?
I ain't hear you.
Do you got a marker or a pen?
No, I don't.
Alright, bet it's all up. Bingo. Can I use this? Yeah, I can use it.
What them 22s that you had right here?
Yeah, they up there. Hey, them 22s in the boxes too, them big boxes.
I know. Stop playing.
What you mean? That Wrangler in here?
The who?
The Wrangler.
The who?
The Ruger Wrangler 22.
Yeah.
Find one?
Yeah, I got one. Just so I can know what I'm shooting on what, you know, on which is what and which is whoop. How do you drop this again?
You shooting it?
Yeah.
Where your
This
target
is
at?
gonna be my first time shooting this.
Where your target? You want that target or you want a new target?
No.
Hmm?
No, I can use that one.
Just use this one.
Alright. How you drop this so I can load it up?
Oh, it's way out there.
I don't really care how far you put it, real
Hmm?
life. You know I'm exactly.
What the hell y'all done set up over here?
So this big, he can't shoot without it.
Oh, I'm talking about where you get the box from.
Oh, really? They going
Oh,
over.
okay.
That's the only way he can shoot.
Yeah, that gauge gonna throw you, bro.
He can shoot it on this.
You wanna hit it?
Oh, it's definitely gonna throw it.
Bro,
I'm ready, bro.
you sure?
I'm ready.
Alright.
I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready.
Bro,
I
you gotta
think-
step behind him.
I think I'm ready.
Bro,
Huh?
it's gonna,
Step behind him,
as soon as you put it in, it's gonna be ready. You stand behind it, bro. Y'all niggas be careful.
bro. You really trying to shoot that?
Yes.
Bro, you crazy. That motherfucker.
You shot it?
It's serious. It hit harder than,
Yours?
yeah.
My shoulder hurt.
You said
You remember how to do it?
Bro, you tripping. You for real?
yes. You shoot it first one time, then
I just shot it 5 times.
I wasn't watching, bro. I want to watch so I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, make sure he don't hit that.
Yeah,
It's already ready, I'm pretty sure, cause it was already
Right?
it was already
Cock, it ain't.
yeah. It's no fake.
It's on safety.
I'm gonna let y'all do y'all thing. Hey,
You want the
Yes, sir.
box up here?
Definitely.
You need the box.
Last time
You
he,
tripping.
man.
there you go. Safety is up, down.
Huh?
Remember, it's one in the chain.
Yeah, ready to go, bro. It's on safety right now. It's safety. Safety down, safety
There's
up.
already a bullet in it.
Safety up. It's on safety.
Y'all niggas better be careful.
You tripping, bro.
What?
You want to do this? It's off safety now. It's ready to go.
Alright. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I'm scared.
Hold on. Back off. Back off.
Look through them sights.
Back off.
I don't see the first one when I
That's
look
what's
through
so
that
dope.
second.
You can flip the safety up on each side. What happened?
Jammed up. Look at you can see it.
That boy is fun.
Yep. That bitch got kicked, don't it?
Hell yeah, I
That nigga check.
singing, nigga.
You,
I guarantee if I lift my shit up, my shit red as hell.
Don't fake it. It's hot.
Alright.
It's on safety.
Alright, so I should be able to see this when I'm looking
Yeah.
through this circle.
yeah.
I don't see it. This is like off to the left. a
Look
little
through
bit.
here.
Alright.
And look through the pop-up sights.
You on safety though.
You say I'm on safety?
You want it off safety, pull it down.
Pull it down.
All right. You way off.
That's
You put it on.
So why you waiting? Say you gonna help you load these bullets? No, I want him to show it.
I can see the red dot on the target when I look through here, but I don't see this.
It's cause you off. You gotta get it in the air kind of.
Yeah, that. Before y'all get to going crazy in the comments, I was not actually shooting at the target. I was trying to get used to shooting that boy.
Five.
That was 5 on
Didn't feel like it, but he had shot it a couple times.
safety. Let's see.
I watched that.
Bro, that's a little too much power for me,
Couple in
boy.
there. Four of them. Release that last one, bro.
You want to shoot this guy?
What's going on?
What's up, fellas? What's up with you, man?
How long you been in the game?
Huh?
How long you been like that?
Oh, shit, since 2017, basically. It ain't been that long, but these bitches been real quick.
How long was that when you started?
Huh?
How long was that when you started?
Like this long. They was actually pretty short. I had the high top and shit like that going on. I had the little twists at the top. Go from there.
You go crazy, boy. For
What
real.
the fuck out here booming like that? What is that?
What happened to Rob in there?
He said he was going home to go to sleep.
Get me here, bro.
Mark somewhere. Yeah, that's enough. Real good stuff.
This is the whole fucking thing.
Y'all see. These my two from last time.
Now, you need to clean this, bro. Clean it.
Who's down on it? I do.
Different?
Who's down on this?
That one? Okay. It's still load you back up.
I got my tail on there.
You already loaded?
Huh? That's for the worker.
Mm.
Where you at, man?
It's ready.
You trying to give me a challenge? Let me see if I hit it. I hit it once, you see? Ooh, bang, 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 bang. And I went crazy. I went crazy. Yes, sir. Steve. Yes, sir. Yes. Boom, 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 boom. Bro, I went nuts, man. Try dropping the mag and then
Ain't no mag in it, is it? I thought you dropped it.
I ain't dropping. There we go. There we go.
That bitch look bad, dude. What kind of bullet is that, man?
I don't know. I got it from I don't know. I got it from when I was in
I thought you had dropped the mag.
Nah, this probably is 10 millimeter.
Yeah, it tends to get tragic. We stuck into the very end, and yes, I'm talking casket. I knew when we met that we'd be more than friends. Whoever thought that Wally World is where it all began. We had some family that never thought we'd last, but now we putting all that madness in